On TikTok, earn up to 4 to 3 cents every day for 1,000 views. Before start earn money, we need 10,000 followers in TikTok. After having 10,000 followers, do this below setting to start make money. Let's start. Open the TikTok. Click the profile. And click the setting button on top. Then click the privacy. After open the privacy setting, there is option for quick upload. This only available on Android mobile. On iPhone available that video I show later. To see the ads, click the ads option. Then we see what all videos are ads or promote. Once is our ads monitors, we can see the balances here. And we can transfer the money to your account. Next video I show you how much I'm making. For iPhone,
good morning,
there is no
everybody.
option available in Apple. Subscribe for more videos and tips.